Hey, this is Peter at SafetyNet Technologies. I'm going to show you the CatchCam kit and all the items that are included in it. So, first up, CatchCam kit comes contained in a convenient carry case. Let's open that up and have a look what's inside. So, first up, we have the CatchCam camera. We have the CatchCam lamp for illuminating your underwater scenes. We have a charger for charging the lamp and the camera. We have a power adapter and USB cable for plugging in the charger. We have a remote control for controlling the camera and the lamp. And the CatchCam system also comes with a tablet loaded with the CatchCam app, which you'll use to change settings on the camera and also to view, review, download your clips from the camera. So that's everything you need to take great underwater videos using CatchCam.